Welcome to this channel. This is about to install the front panel umbilicals onto a Gigabyte motherboard. The case is a thermal take, and this Gigabyte motherboard happens to come with this adapter. They call it, I think, the Gigabyte G adapter. And as you can see, there is the hard disk, the reset, and I don't have cables for these last two, but in the back I have for the power switch and the power LED switch. So I'm going to start with the hard disk, and I'm looking for the hard disk LED, and I have to line it up with the positive there. Now I'm going to go to the reset. The reset on this cable doesn't have the positive or negative, so what I'll do is I'm going to flip over, and I'll see there is an arrow right there, and the arrow is a positive, so I have to line it up with a positive and then unplug it in. Okay, now I'm going to flip over, and then I'm going to start with the power, and the power doesn't have a positive or negative print, so I'm going to flip over. I'm going to see the arrow. This is the arrow, which I'm going to line it up with a positive, so this way it'll be right. There you go. Now, last but not least, there's the last two power LEDs, and this happens to be the negative, so I'm going to plug the negative first. There. And the positive is this one. I'll plug it in there. There you go. Now, this Gigabyte motherboard comes also with a speaker, and there is the plug, and there is the little speaker, and I have to line it up, the positive with the positive. So I'm going to flip over, even though the red is telling us that's a positive, but to make sure, so I'm going to find the arrow right there on the plug. There's the arrow, which is the positive, and the positive is right there on the adapter. So I'm going to plug it in. There you go. Now that all the umbilicals are plugged, all I have to do is plug this adapter to the motherboard. And thank you for stopping by. Bye.